Tires just came, fam. These things are huge. Look at this. Compared to the Civic, remember? Could fit 2 hands. But then again, I'm 5'4", so those things are massive. Though it came in a box. So, yes, sir. Let's get these bad boys on, I guess. Hopefully, I don't have to raise my car, but we'll see. So, fam, I got the tires in. Whew. All right, fam, so this is pretty much it right here. The only thing I'm worried about is that little plastic up there, because this car does like squat a lot. I don't think enough to hit that plastic. I did tighten it because it had the rebound over there, so I did give it 2 or 3 clicks. I got to do the same thing to the other side. But yeah, this thing is nuts. Jesus. I don't know if they're ready, man. I do not know if they're ready. I'm here trying to raise the car, guys. Gonna take this off, try to raise it up a little bit. I did actually do a little bit. I didn't record it because the black part was spinning on the coil. I'll show you guys. But now it's not bad. I think I did raise it a hair because the other side is way lower now. So I just gotta raise it a little bit more because if you guys see right here, it's rubbing on the fender liner. So yeah, I gotta get a new fender liner too because I did. This one was cracked. Earlier. I didn't crack it. It was already cracked. But other than that, I mean, they're $60 a pop. So I'll get new fender liners. Once I get this ride height correct, I'll go in and install the new fender liners. Pretty much this is what I'm saying. I'm spinning this, but the black part up here is spinning along with this. So guys, this is pretty much it. Doesn't really rub. I raised the car up like 2.5 full turns, well, 2 full turns and a half on both rears. So I have to get alignment. I just tested the car out. Things are sticky as hell, as all hell. So yeah, I'm gonna put a little pole on here and hope you guys enjoy that. I'll put more poles next time, but she's badass now.